guys. Made it back to the car after running. Insert clip here. What's up, you guys? I just finished my first little talking video. And I'm just gonna record this. I probably won't upload it. Maybe I will, but I just want to record this so that I can practice my talking skills on camera. But I think it went well. I talked about like not having life figured out. Yeah. You guys know my little journey. Ooh, there's noises. But yeah. Well, yeah, you know. But I'm walking down. This place is so beautiful. I love it here. I'm probably gonna film so many videos here. I need to explore it more. I usually only go to the top. I want to go like around, but people work here during the day, so I just saw a car leave. But walking down, I think that video went pretty well. Hopefully I upload it and people enjoy it. I like doing it. It was pretty fun. I like getting in my like mode where I'm just chatting and I'm like, I kind of talk fast, but it's fun and like, you know, gets my adrenaline going. I feel like right now I'm kind of just, but that's how I'm talking. Yeah, but anyways, oh, there's a car. Oh shit. Oh shit, should I start running? Should I start running? Should I start running? I'm running. Even if I don't have to run, this is kind of fun. I haven't sprinted in a while. Good practice. All right, we're at the car. They're not chasing me. That was fun. We used to pretend like they were after us. They don't care. God, that was a lot of running. I'm gonna head back. That was fun. That was funny. Hopefully that's funny to you guys. I'm just doing this video to practice my talking skills and having the camera on while I drive home skills. But I just ran for no reason because I don't know, maybe they have security. I haven't been here in a while, so I was like, what if it's security? I don't know, I'm supposed to be here. But no, it's just workers, they don't care. Oh, slow down. Yeah, I'm just yapping, but I got my new camera. I'm really excited about it. The colors look great. I hope this footage is like usable. I won't use it, but like, I hope that this level of light is good enough to where I can use it. Hope the mic is good. It sounded really good from what I heard and stuff, so really excited about that. Yeah, it's a DJI Osmo Action 4. I upgraded it from my GoPro Hero 11 Black. Excited about it and my new camera. Reasoning behind selling the GoPro. I wanted a microphone. I looked up how to get a microphone, wireless mic with the GoPro, and it was too complicated. So I decided not to do that. And I was like, fuck it, I'm selling it and I'm buying that DJI. And honestly, I think it was a good purchase. Me personally, it didn't overheat on my drive here. It didn't overheat while I was talking. We'll see, I don't know. The GoPro honestly would probably have overheated when I have it on for a while. So I don't know, but the overheating was an issue. The battery life was a big issue, and the microphone, not being able to easily connect one, was a problem for me because I wanted a mic. Yeah, so I sold it on eBay. Someone bought it like a day after I sold it on there without even like messaging me or anything, just bought it. and I didn't expect that. I thought it was going to take like a week or two, or I would have to lower the price, but nope. They bought it second day it was up, and I had to get rid of it. Oh shit, there's a horse, and it's a woman. Hi, woman, on the horse. I hope she didn't hear me say hi, woman. That's so awkward. Ah, shoot. Yeah, but really excited about this camera. Yeah. I've been listening to a lot of country music recently. I guess I like country, but not like all country. Some of it's annoying, like when they're talking about big trucks and shite. I'm like, skip. That stuff is weird. Annoys me. But this song, Chain Smoking, I think it's Morgan Wallen. I really like that song. I say but a lot. Let me work on that. I'm gonna start working on that right now. I almost said yeah, gotta work on that one too. So, my first video went nice. It was fun standing there. It looked cool. I was just standing in front of a nice view, which is awesome. I need to figure out how to make it more exciting, I think. Because it's kind of boring if I'm just standing there. And it's just me walking back and forth, not looking at the camera, because I don't want to look at the camera because there's no one there, so it's weird. So I want to figure out how to make it more interesting. If you guys have ideas, let me know. I need some ideas. Maybe I'll ask Google Gemini. Yeah, I said it before today in my other clip, but Google Gemini has been way more creative, in my opinion, than ChatGPT in developing ideas for videos. And it gave me a bunch of ideas, and it really motivated me. What it was saying was oh shoot, you're right. like it was some kind of motivational speaker, like a mentor, which was amazing. And that's great. I think that power of AI is really cool. If it can be smarter than you and teach you things like that and motivate you, or it's just making it up, I don't know. But it really motivated me, and it got me to make this video today. I feel like it was also myself, of course, but yeah, AI is interesting. Use it wisely, be careful. One day it's gonna be everywhere, so yeah. But this is my favorite drive, not favorite drive, but favorite place to go to talk to the, or not talk, but to go for some relaxation vibes. I call it the nursery, or I call it sunset. Usually call it sunset. And then I have another little spot called Overlook, which is where I like to drive because the houses are really big and pretty. But I said but again. This little Charger got behind us. They had their windows down. Dude, I love driving. I want to make more videos driving, but I feel like I should be in them. But I also like having POV driving. I like this little step I'm taking. I think it's right, because this is what I've been thinking about, motivating people. And I was like, okay, I'll wait till I become a teacher to do that. But no, I'm just gonna do it now on YouTube, and then that is gonna become my career. I probably wasted more gas than I did going to Big Bear. My MPG dropped hella. I was driving very slowly because I was trying to be safe. Road I've never been on. Kiana was asleep. so I was trying not to wake her up. People drive so fast on that road, it was crazy. Like, I guess maybe they do it every day, but I was like going well under the speed limit. Don't worry, I was letting everyone pass me. As soon as I got a chance, I pulled over, let them pass, and I continued going slowly. Okay, I need some advice, I guess, if I post this, which I don't know. I guess I will, why not? But what do you guys think of the video styles? Do you want me to, would you rather watch a video of POV in the car, or should I have the camera pointed at me in the car? Or should I do a mix of both? Or should I separate the two? And should I do videos POV not talking, or should I just be talking? And should I have topics while I drive, or should I just talk about random stuff, or should I just drive and like talk only when I should? Should I not be driving? Do you like the one that I posted probably recently, where I'm just like in front of a nice view chatting with the camera? Or do you not like that? What's your advice? Yeah, because I want to talk about these topics, but I need a way to do it. And I think the view one was good, but I just think it'll get boring, me talking for that long and like no change of angle. And it's just me walking back and forth, talking to myself. So, you know, I need to figure that out. But I'll get better at it with time, of course. Of course. Oh, it's so smoky. I wonder how this looks. It's pretty dark, so if this is usable, it's usable. If not, oh well. I'm pretty much done talking. I'm actually going to turn it off, so if I did post this, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, watch all my other videos. Trying to hit 1,000 followers and 4,000 watch hours. So, yeah, heavy on the brakes. Alright, goodbye.